etc, we start with one hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, I was keep mentioning we can expect the price, and even we mentioned we targeting the price to drop to 82. If the price break 82, the next target is 60. As we can see, the price dropped the three times almost, take 82, but there was no, I mean, the price couldn't break. That's why we mentioned since the price was in this move, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buying. This is where we could take the trade. All right. Anyway, whoever get this trade, they shouldn't be in this trade because of this correction. And if it's still anyone, they keep the trade from here, either move their stop loss to break even and or take out the trade. Now, we want to see what's the next. First of all, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have the price drop because we mentioned we're expecting to get a deeper correction. This is what we get, and as what we expected, the price dropped to 82. Now we want to see whether we can get the reversal or it can turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss. We move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, since we get this sharp move, this correction, we're looking. If we get any buys at top, we are more interested to look for. All right. And right now, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as we mentioned, we're looking for trade setup from here. But the only thing is the way this one is moving, may still we can expect that this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the reversal. What I want to say is that we're looking for the reversal, either the price reverse from here or even this one to give us one more drop before we get the reversal. We will take the trade. First of all, if this one anyone wants to look for sell, we cannot take the sell unless this one turn to a DP correction. Then maybe we can get the sharp move, like we take the trade for sell as a short term with the breakout of this. The previous low we start to manage. But right now, if we want to look for sell, the only way is to have entry below this, but which we are not interested. Again, whoever wants to look for sell, let this one turn to DP correction. We can look for short term sell. If this one turn to a DP correction as a corrective, okay. But we mentioned we're more interested to look for buy. All right, either the price reverse from here. If the price reverse from here, what we want, if we get a sharp move flag, we take the trade. Okay, and having entry above this can be an option in case the price sharply reverse from here. But if the price start to reverse as a corrective, we are not going to look for trade either. Even we cannot have entry above this. Okay, having entry above this in case the price sharply reverse from here, and we want the price sharply break and continue the price tag, which is not moving within the first or second hours, we take the trade because we can expect to get a sharp move. This one turn to a big correction before, and I mean it's after that the price give us one more drop. That's why having entry above this is really risky. We want the price break and continue, and as long as the price break and continue, we move over stop loss to break even. But the best thing is, if this one turn to a deeper correction, it give us one more drop. Any reversal, we will take the trade from there. All right. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup. Still, we can look for reversal because this one, I mean the buy setup, because this one we can put in relative to this. But before we take the trade, we need to look at this, whether the price can reverse from here or this one can give us one more drop before we get the reversal. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Right now, we cannot look for buy. We don't have any trade setup, but we just looking at this part. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade as I discussed. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.